In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search within sources in NotebookLM. Let's get started by opening NotebookLM. Once you're in, you'll see the clean workspace designed to help you work directly with your materials. The goal today is simple. Search across the sources connected to your notebook so you can quickly find the exact passages, facts, and context you need without digging through every page by hand. Next, click Create New. This sets up a fresh notebook where your research will live. Think of it as a dedicated space for a project or topic. The search you run here will focus on the sources associated with this notebook, so everything you see is grounded in your own materials rather than scattered results from elsewhere. If you've already connected or added sources to this notebook in the past, they'll be included in the search automatically. If not, you can still get a feel for how the search bar works and return later once you've built out your collection. Now, move to the search bar at the top. Start typing exactly what you want to find, then press Enter. NotebookLM will generate results based on the sources tied to this notebook. You'll typically see concise matches, relevant snippets, and context that points you back to where the information comes from. Because the results are drawn from your materials, you can trust they're aligned with the content you're actually using. To get the best results, be specific. Use the main keywords that matter most for your question, like a concept name, a term from your notes, or a key phrase that appears in your documents. If you know the exact wording you're after, try typing a short phrase in quotes. If your first attempt feels too broad, refine your query by adding a distinctive detail, such as a date, a section header, or a technical term, and press Enter again. Short, focused queries usually return clearer, more relevant matches. As the results appear, skim the wording and note how NotebookLM highlights what's most relevant. This makes it easy to confirm you're in the right place before you dive deeper. If the match isn't what you need, tweak your wording and generate again. Small adjustments, like switching to a synonym or narrowing the topic, often make a big difference. And that's it. Open NotebookLM, click Create New, then use the search bar to type your query and press Enter. NotebookLM will generate focused, source-grounded results that help you find what matters, faster. Try it now with a term from your current project and see how quickly you can surface exactly what you need.